Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun craft with me video to share with you guys. So as you guys know, we kind of been in a mode of creating and crafting my daughter's Halloween care package. And so today we're going to go ahead and finish it off. I'm going to start by decorating the envelope that the card is going to go into. So in case you guys missed my latest video, this is the card that I created for her. I love it, you guys. I am simply obsessed with how it turned out. So basically what I did was I used the Paper Studio flat cards and envelopes. It's a 5 by 7 inches, and so I cut down some paper to size and I used it as my back border, and then I layered this little pumpkin card, and I printed out a quote from my computer that says, "Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want." And then I added some fun little dies with some 3D foam. And then on the back side I created a little pocket using my scrapbook.com metal die, and then I just put the letter right here so that she can read it. And then I decorated with a few little fun pieces, and I love it, you guys. It turned out so cute. I'm simply obsessed. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish it off with the envelope. I do want to decorate the envelope because, again, I like to be extreme and over the top. And then what's going to be fun about today's video is we're actually going to be using my new wax seal stamp from Craspire.com to seal my card. So in case you guys missed it, I do have the little ghost for Halloween wax seal stamp head, and it has a little ghost on it, so I thought it would be perfect to seal my card, and I can't wait. So I do have the little heart-shaped marble wax seal mat. So this is in case, you know, I just want to do like a solo one, or I can always use this to rest my stamps on as well. I do have my little base that's going to hold my spoon to melt my wax. These are the little wax pieces. To get 100 pieces in the little set that I got, and they come in different colors, and there's a fun purple and there's also a fun white one. So I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I should do two, one of each color, because they also sent these little metallic pens that you can also use to color in, and I thought maybe it would be nice to color in like the white one. And then it does come with like little extra candles, you know, to melt, and then I have my little stamp heads. So I'm excited, you guys. I'm ready for this. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna decorate my envelope, because again, that's just me. I kind of like to go over the top, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use some washi tape. But I think what I'm gonna do is add, whenever I'm adding washi tape to like a surface of something that's going to be like long lasting, then I definitely like to add some extra adhesive, because, you know, washi tape is not that it's not that sticky, so it'll eventually start coming out. So that's why I like to add extra adhesive. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some right here, just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little scissors. That little toolbox from Dollar Tree, oh my god, it came in handy, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut right here. And I do have a coupon code, so in case you guys want to go check out Craspire.com, they sell all kinds of fun goodies. They're known mostly for their wax and seal stamping, but they also have other things, and I definitely recommend them. So I'm just kind of peeling out the extra adhesive that I have, which is really nice that it's kind of forgiving in that way. And so yeah, so I have a coupon code. It's LE5. I'll leave it on my screen as well as in the description box below for you guys to use for your purchase. Alright, cool. So now that we have that, I have a few pieces here that I'm probably going to use. Let's see what I can use from here. Probably maybe we'll do like the little pumpkin, or let's see. And there we have it. So a nice simple little card. We're gonna leave it at that, and then we're gonna go ahead and start over here. So I'm gonna take my little lighter and I'm gonna take my candle. This one's already lifted, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this one. Now I think I'm gonna need possibly a bigger spoon. Let me see. No, I think it should work. Okay, so you place this underneath, light it up, so we're gonna put that there. So now we're gonna put our little spoon there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in our little wax melts. The one thing I did forget was my paper clip. So just gonna throw them out here. I think I'm gonna do a little pink, a little purple. Oh, alright, so now that it's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and put my card inside. Again, this is what the card looks like. So I'm just gonna pop it in here. Go just like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit of adhesive just to kind of help it so that when I do add it, it lays down like nice and flat, I guess you could say. So I'm just gonna put that there, and then we're gonna let this melt. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I think we're gonna throw in one more, maybe even two more right now that it's melting. And then maybe like a little white one. Just to make sure that we have enough to cover our little ghost image. That is melting nicely. It's so much easier when you have this little stand that holds it. Love it. Okay, I think that's perfect. So the trick is definitely how you let everything down. Here's my little ghost. And it's gonna go down that way. So now we're just gonna and then you hold it down for a few seconds to let everything dry up. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the color. So I did like a little combination of purple. I threw in a little bit of pink and then one white, and it's so cute. Oh, and there we have it, you guys, the perfect little wax seal. Oh my god, can you guys see it right there? Look at how cute that is. I love it. So you know what? I think I'm gonna play with it a little bit, and I think I am going to add a little bit of the metallic marker. I'm just gonna go ahead and ooh, uh-oh. Guess it's not that hot right there yet. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. I think we saved it. Oh no. Wow, it's pretty sensitive. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and there you go. Wow, this is cool. Maybe I have to let it cool down a little bit more, but look at how cool that is. I love it. So I think I'm just gonna outline a little bit of his shape. We'll see. How cute this is. Okay, I love this, you guys. Perfect for the theme. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So I'm just kind of following the little lines of my little hat. And look at that. Ah, that is so cute. That is my little ghost. Oh my god, I kind of ruined it right there. Otherwise, it was perfect. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. But I love it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That concludes my daughter's Halloween care package made with love from her mama. Definitely, you guys, go check out Craspire.com. And they have these little stamp heads in different designs, different themes. So I think it's fun for whatever occasion you're trying to do. This is definitely a fun way to seal your card and just give it that extra little handmade touch. So I love it. And the metallic markers, a good little addition. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. As always, if you want to see more, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. I hope you decide to join my family. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!